Hello.
Welcome back to Virtual Story Time.
Yes, and we are at week 6. This week we are talking about
Mammals.
Yes, there are lots of mammals.
There sure are. Probably if you have a favorite animal, chances are likely that it is a mammal. So enjoy these stories and a good puppet show, and we will see you after that.
Bye. So we are going to start off with a story called Wolf's Coming. Uh-oh. And there are some other animals in here, and most of those are mammals too. So let's find out. A distant howl rides the breeze, echoing through all the trees. Can you give me your best howl? Let's do it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ow! And I know some of you are very good at howling. Hurry, hurry, don't be slow, follow me. Come on, let's go. They're all running away from the howling. A shadowy figure climbs the hill, getting close and closer still. There he is. Raccoon is running away. There go the bunnies. Faster, faster, take my hand, run back home like we planned. It's always good to have a good exit plan. There he is. Wolf's coming. He indeed looks a little bit scary. There he goes. Shadows lengthen. It's getting late. Wolf is now outside the gate. Quickly, quickly, get inside. Shut the door. Better hide. Oh, he's sneaking up. The moonlight shines on his fangs. His belly growls with hunger pangs. Closer, closer, next to me. Pull the shade so he can't see. Wolf's coming. Glowing ember eyes appear. Pointed ears strain to hear. Hush now, not a peep. You must be still like you're asleep. Wolf's here. The front door opens with a creak. The big wolf leans in for a peek. Tightly, tightly, shut your eyes. With all your might, yell, surprise! Oh, they're throwing him a party. Laughing, laughing, so much fun. Cake and pizza for everyone. Happy birthday, Wolf. The end.
And I'm going to read you a story called Old Bear, because bears are mammals too. By the time Old Bear fell asleep for the winter, it was snowing hard. So he's not a Florida bear. Soon, he was dreaming. What do you think bears dream about? He dreamed that spring had come and he was a cub again. The flowers were as big as trees. He took a nap in a giant pink crocus. But that smelled nice. Then he dreamed that it was summer. The sun was a daisy and the leaves were butterflies. Part of the sky clouded over and it rained blueberries. That would be so much fun. Next, he dreamed of autumn. Everything was yellow and orange and brown, even the birds and the fish in the water. After that, he dreamed that winter was back. The world was covered in ice. It was night and the sky was blazing with stars of all colors. The cold went on forever. Old Bear slept and dreamed, dreamed and slept. What do you think it sounds like when the bear is sleeping? Do you think he snores? Does he go, shh? When he finally woke up, it seemed to him that no time had passed since he had fallen asleep. He yawned. Can you yawn? Oh, and he stretched. He poked his head out of his den to see if it was still snowing. He blinked and blinked again. Can you guys blink? And when Old Bear walked out into the beautiful spring day, it took him a minute to realize that he wasn't dreaming. So pretty. The end.
Deep in the forest, in the dim moonlight, 10 little chimps sneak out for the night.
Wearing shiny shoes and their boogie-woogie pants, they go to Mambo Jambos where they dance, dance, dance. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 10 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Rhino hustles in just to prove he's got the groove. Shake it, Rhino, shake it, boy, let's see that body move. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 9 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Cobra slithers by and the crowd sways in a trance, 'cause she likes to do the limbo, but she loves to belly dance. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 8 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Lion struts around like the royal king of cool, but 5 minutes later he's a jitterbugging fool. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 7 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Hippo hams it up as he tells the crowd a joke. He makes them roar some more when he starts to hokey poke. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 5 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Giraffe does the tango with a rose between her teeth and gets into a tangle with the dancers underneath. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 4 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Meerkat Macarenas to a funky Latin beat. His body shimmies from his whiskers to his feet. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 3 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Zebra leads a jig with her stripes all painted green. The crowd gives a whistle for the Irish clogging queen. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 2 little chimps do the cha-cha-cha.
Ostrich polkas round like a wind-up whirligig. He spills the cider barrel, so he stops to take a swig. Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 1 little chimp does the cha-cha-cha.
Yikes! Mama Chimp comes stomping through the door. The band stops playing as the dancers leave the floor. The chimps try to hide and they skitter all about, but when Mama yells, ee, ooh, ooh, the chimps come running out.
Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. No little chimps do the cha-cha-cha. Deep in the forest in the dim moonlight, 10 little chimps go home for the night.
They put their jammies on, then they tumble into bed and wait for Mama Chimp to kiss each upon the head.
The chimps dream of dancing under starry skies a-glitter, but one tiptoes out and she calls the babysitter.
Ee, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. 1 Mama Chimp does the cha-cha-cha.
The end.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. I hope you loved those stories that we read to you, and that puppet show was pretty great.
It was. And as always, we have an awesome craft for you this week. If you got your summer reading kit, in the envelope for week 6 is everything you need to make this little cube. And on each side of the cube is a different mammal and an activity you can do to pretend to be that mammal.
Yep, if you, like, for instance, if you landed on roar like a lion, what would you do? Would you say, roar?
Yeah, exactly. So it's a fun little game. And if you didn't happen to pick up a summer reading kit, you can print off the template for this from our website and print it up at home and make it that way. So we will include a link for that in this video. And thank you so much for watching and for playing along with us. Keep filling out those zoo passports. We are getting closer to the end of summer reading, and we have a couple of really great prizes that you could win if you fill out your passport. So stay tuned. Thank you for participating. Have a super week, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.